Stop by and take a look at the 2015 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.